is Arvina Nirmayolintiang, class 19 to C25, study program Information System. Computer. A computer is an electronic device designed to receive data, process it according to instruction, store information, and produce output in the form of useful information. Computers operate through a combination of hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical parts of the computer, such as the CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Software include the program and operating system that with the computer to perform specific tasks. Computers have become a crucial part of modern human life. They are capable of performing complex calculations at incredible speed, storing movies amount of data, and enabling global communication through networks like the internet. Types of a computer based on the size, power, and the purpose computer are classified into several types. 1. Supercomputer. Supercomputers are the fastest and most powerful computers used for heavy tasks such as scientific simulation, weather forecasting, and nuclear research. Example: IBM Summit Fuyaku. 2. Mainframe computer. Mainframes are used by large organizations to process vast amounts of data such as financial transactions, banking operations, and customer data management. 3. Munition computer. Munition computer are missile computers used by companies to manage specific tasks such as production management or network control. 4. Personal computer PC. Personal computers are designed for individual use. Examples include desktop, laptop, notebook, and netbook. This is the most common type of computer. 5. Portable computer. This category includes laptop, tablet, and smartphone that are easy to carry and stay connected to the internet or local network. Benefit of computer. Computers bring many benefits across various fields such as education, supporting online learning, research and education material development, business used for accounting, data management, digital marketing, and business communication, healthcare, assisting in diagnosis, patient data storage, and medical research. Communication facilitating communication through email, social media, and video conferencing. Entertainment used for gaming, watching movies, listening to music, and creating content. Transportation, managing traffic system, GPS, navigation, and flight control. Main function of computer. Computers have several fundamental functions that enable human activity to be more efficient and productive, including 1. Input entering data. Computer receive data and instruction from user via input devices such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, camera, or microphone. 2. Processing data. The data entered into the computer is processed by the brain of the computer, the CPU, Central Processing Unit, according to instruction provided by the software. 3. Store that store. Computer can store that both temporary RAM and permanently hard drive. Cloud storage store that can be accessed anytime. 4. Output presenting information. After processing, the computer delivers the result to the user in visual form on monitor, print via printer, sound through speaker, or other form. 5. Control processes control. The computer also function to control all active carried out by other devices in the computer system, ensuring process run efficiently and orderly. Use of computer in various fields. Computers are not only technical tools but also have wide-ranging use in many aspects of life. A. In education, as interactive learning media. 2. Access online information sources. Use in a learning system, online exam and school management system. B. In business. 2. Recording transaction, creating financial report and managing inventory. Running point of sales post system. As to for digital communication and promotion. C. In healthcare, storing patients' medical record digitally, assisting in diagnosis and patient monitoring using computerized system, controlling advanced medical devices. In industry, controlling automatic production machine, in industrial automation, designing product using CID, computer aided design software, analyzing production data and work efficiency. In communication, as tool for email, video call, and social media, enabling global communication instantly and affordably. In entertainment, playing games, watch movies, listening to music, creating digital content, streaming music and video online. In government and administration, used in data processing for population, taxation, public services and administrative system. Conclusion: the computer is a fundamental technology in the modern era with essential functions such as input, processing, storage, output, and control. Its versatile and broad functionality makes it applicable in almost every area of human life. With continuous advancement in information and communication technology, computers have become indispensable tools that support efficiency, speed, and accuracy in work and daily life. Hardware. 1. Definition of hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer that can be seen and touched directly. These components function to support all activities of a computer system, such as receiving data, processing information, storing data, and generating output that can be understood by the user. Hardware serves as the main foundation of a computer system. Without hardware, software cannot operate. All computer systems from personal computer PCs and laptop to supercomputer and large servers heavily depend on the performance of the hardware within them. General function of hardware. Hardware has several key roles in a computer system, including as input devices to enter data and commands into the computer system, a processing devices to process data according to user instruction, as output devices to present the result of data processing to the user, as storage devices to store data and information, both short-term, temporary, and long-term, permanent, as communication devices to connect the computer with other devices via networks. 3 types of hardware classification. Hardware is a category based on its function in data processing. Input devices. Devices used to input data or instruction into the computer. Example of function: keyboard input data in the form of text of number, mouse points, selects and execute commands, files, clicking. Scanner converts physical document into digital format. Webcam and microphone capture video and audio. B. Processing device. The components are used to process or manipulate that has been input into the computer. Example and function: CPU, central processing unit, the care of a computer processing actual instruction. GPU, capital processing unit, specialist in processing visual and graphical data. Motherboard, the main circuit board where all key components are connected and communicate. C. Output device. Device that deliver the result of the processing to use in various formats. Example and function: monitor displays that information visually. Printer print document from digital to physical format. Speaker output sound from processed audio data. D. Store device. Used to store data and information within the computer. Example and function: RAM, random access memory, temporary store data while the computer is in use. Hard disk drive, solid state drive, permanent storage for operating system and data. Optical drive, read and write data via optical discs. Flash drive and memory cards, portable and flexible storage options. Peripheral devices, optional devices that improve conversion and computing efficiency. Example: external webcam, gamepad, joystick, fingerprint scanner, etc. 4. Hardware technology development. Computer hardware is constantly evolving with technological advancement. In the past, computer required large room to store few kilobytes of data. Now, thanks to semiconductor and nanotechnology innovation, computer can be compact, fast, and energy efficient. Some major hardware development trends include miniaturization. Computers are small yet more powerful, low power consumption, energy efficient technology. Function integration. Many devices now share multiple function, e.g. touchscreen, laptop with stylus. Cloud computing, store and processing are increasingly performed on remote servers instead of local devices. 5. Relationship between hardware, software, and brainware. A computer system cannot function with only hardware. Hardware must work together with software, program of instruction that control the hardware, and brainware, the human user who give commands. Example, when you type in Microsoft Word software using a keyboard, hardware, your brainware create a complex but structured instruction. Conclusion: hardware is a file proof of a computer, forming the physical base required for executing all computing process. Each type of hardware has a specific role, and together they build a complete and functional system. With rapid technological growth, hardware continues to evolve into faster, more efficient, and multifunctional system, supporting the many needs of human life today.